rural life and society. In this chapter, we shall learn the economic policies imposed by the British and their impact on Indian peasantry and agriculture. Our country India has progressed in various fields and now boasts of well-developed industries and all-round economic advancement. In the pre-colonial and colonial period, Indian economy was predominantly an agrarian economy. India in the pre-colonial period was thus undoubtedly backward but self-sufficient. But the new patterns of land ownership and revenue policies that the British brought with them demolished the existing agrarian system in India and led to deterioration in the conditions of villagers. The Britishers' revenue collection system. The villagers cultivated the land and gave part of it as land revenue to the rulers through the headman and later through the king's officials. Sometimes revenues, cash, were collected depended on the fertility of the soil, natural calamities, etc. Once the company established itself politically, it also needed Indian revenues to meet its economic needs. Thus, the company increasingly began to interest itself in the fixation and collection of land revenue. As the insufficient revenue get collected by British officials, they started harassing the peasants. Lord Cornwallis wanted to increase the revenue of the company and thus decided to fix the land revenue to be collected. This system was called the Permanent Settlement of Bengal. The disadvantage of this system was the cultivators were harassed and had no rights on the land. They were left to the mercy of the zamindars. The Ryotwari system. A different system of revenue collection was introduced in the Madras and Bombay presidencies between 1792 and 1827. In this system, middlemen or the zamindars were removed and settlement was directly between company and ryot or cultivator. The Mahalwari system. The Mahalwari system existed in parts of Uttar Pradesh, parts of central India, the northwest province and parts of Punjab. In this system, the settlement was made between landlords or heads of families, claiming to represent the entire village community or groups of villages known as Mahal and the government. That is all in this topic. In the next topic, we will learn about the impact of the revenue system on the cultivator and peasant revolts.